Okay, I'm caught up. This is the final one today. Caught up. 26, right? Okay. What has Matt Bajerski got on offer today? Powerful Abundance Kit. We all need a bit of that this year. Okay, let's see what the Abundance Kit is. What have I chosen? Cleansing Negative Energy Aura Spray. Perfect. Number 1. Number 2. Cleansing. Oh, inside. Beautiful. We love this. Okay, so let's have a look. We love these, don't we? Yes. Have to have those. Then, let's have a look. Ah, okay. Abundance. This is good for abundance. Hold that thought. Oh, very good. Let's have a look. What else? Ah, yes. Oh, very good. One. Oh, this is a good one. Abundance oil. Perfect. And blend of the healer. Oh, smart. Smart, Mr. B. Then what? Well, it's got to be, hasn't it? For abundance, we have a beautiful holding crystal. Yeah, look at that. You're going to get one of these beautiful pyrites. Okay, perfect. Perfect. So far, so good. Next, let's have a look. Well, we have to wear one, don't we? So we're wearing a beautiful pyrite. So, one around the neck, one in the pocket. Perfect. Everything that you need. There you go. All of that comes to, wow, that's a lot. £345. And today, 4 kits, we've got like 4 kits, 170. Oh, quickly. Go and get it. Not bad.